Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new GOOLOO GP4000 jump starter kit. This product completely eliminates the need for jumper cables because it's a powerful battery that you can clamp onto the battery in your vehicle to jumpstart your car. The product includes a lot of advanced features that I'll get into in a minute, but I always like to start with a quick unboxing first just to show you everything that's included with the product. And I'm telling you, GOOLOO is giving you everything you need to use this product right out of the box. And once I'm done with that, I'll spend some time talking about the jump starter kit in particular because there are a lot of products on the market that look similar as jump starter kits, but this one has a couple of features included that really separate it from the others on the market. And I'll get into that in a minute, but let's get started with the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the GP4000. It's a nice unit. It's handheld. It's very comfortable in your hand. They've got this ribbing on the top and the bottom to add a little extra grip. You'll find a set of heavy-duty jumper clips, and these clamp onto your battery, and this plugs right into the end of the unit. And these are incredibly nice. They've got a really nice tension on them, so they're going to hang on to your battery terminals well. You're completely insulated, so you're nowhere near the metal that actually conducts the electricity. And on this unit, there's also a boost button right there. Now, normally, when a battery starts to get weak, it drops just below the level that's necessary to jumpstart your car. But in some cases, it can drop really, really low, and that's where you need that boost connection, because normally you'll just connect it up, turn your key, and the car will start. But every now and then, again, it's dropped just enough where it won't actually do that. And when you hit that boost button, it puts the maximum amount of energy out of the battery to the battery in your car to jumpstart your car. So if you need that boost button, it's right there. Also included with the kit is a USB-A to USB-C cable. You can use this to charge the unit by plugging the USB-A end into a standard wall charger and the USB-C end into the port on the end of the unit. You can charge it up at home. You'll also find a USB-C to USB-C cable that you can use with newer chargers that have a USB-C connection. Now, one thing I'll explain in a minute is that the unit, in addition to being a great jump starter kit, is also a powerful battery bank. So you can actually use either one of these cables plugged into the unit to charge your external portable devices like a phone or a tablet or some other portable device. So those are kind of, you can use them for a bunch of different things. Also, you'll find a 12-volt adapter, just like in your car. This plugs into a barrel connection on the end of it and provides a 12-volt outlet right here. So anything you charge in your car, you can pretty much plug in here and charge from the battery bank. So they give you a lot of different ways to use that stored energy. And then finally, you'll find a safety guide and a full instruction manual that lists everything you'll want to know about the product, how to use it, how to charge it, how to take care of it. So always read through that manual to make sure you get the best use out of the product. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the GP4000. It has 4,000 amps of starting power. That's a tremendous amount of energy. It'll start any gas vehicle on the road today. It'll also start any diesel vehicle up to 10 liters. So if you've got a bigger one than that, you'll need a bigger jump starter. Maybe it'll start it, but really it's 10 liters. But the vehicles that run on gas, pretty much any vehicle out there, you're guaranteed that you can start it with a weak battery. So it gives you a lot of coverage for pretty much a lot of different styles of vehicles. In addition to that, the unit itself can also be used as a powerful battery bank, as I've mentioned. On the end of the unit, you'll find two USB-A connections and a USB-C connection. The USB-C connection is bidirectional, so that's the port you'll use to charge the unit, but you can also use that USB-C port to charge external devices. And that'll provide up to 15 watts of charging. So anything you're charging at home off a standard wall charger, you can plug it in right there and it's going to charge it just fine. There are two USB-A ports right there. One of them is a standard USB-A port where it's 5 volts at 2.1 amps, so it'll charge it quickly. The other one is actually a quick charge port, and that's the blue one. And what that does is when you plug a device in that's quick charge compatible, this unit is intelligent enough to look at that device. It'll figure out the current charge level, and it can adjust the voltage and current on that port to quickly and safely charge that device. It's pretty amazing. So you've got 3 ways to use this as a powerful battery bank. And then finally, you'll find a flashlight right there that you can turn on either on solid, flashing, or SOS. And that's really handy if you're on the side of the road changing a tire and it's dark out and you need a way to see what's going on so you don't lose those lug nuts. You can put it on solid mode. It throws plenty of light on your car to change that tire. I like the flashing mode as well. I've used that a few times where if you're out, maybe you're out there on the side of the road changing that tire and you've got plenty of light, maybe it's daytime, but you want to let other drivers know that you're off to the side of the road, put it in flashing mode, stand it up on the edge of the road, and that way drivers showing up, passing you is going to see that light and it's going to make them slow down and not have any issues. In addition to that, it's got a hard ABS fireproof exterior, so it's going to last a long time. It's got a fire retardant exterior. And in addition to that, it's an incredibly safe device. What GOOLOO has done is built in 10 different protection mechanisms on the unit that are looking for things like overcurrent, maybe you've shorted out the ends, maybe you've dropped it in water, temperature control, so if it gets too hot or too cold, overcharging, so if you're charging it at home and something strange happens with your charger, all of those things will protect the batteries internally. And that's a big difference between this unit and a lot of other units on the market. I like the fact that it's safe, it stores the energy for a long time. It's got an ABS, fire retardant exterior. I mean, it's really built to last a long time and always be there when you need it. And what I like best about it is it's one of those accessories that I'll charge up, put in the case, put in the back of my car, and almost forget I have it with me until I need to jumpstart that car, or until I need to change a tire and I need a flashlight. Or maybe I'm out camping and I need a way to charge all my portable devices for a couple of days out there on that camping trip. I can take this along. I have plenty of power to charge those devices. I've got the flashlight and I've got the jump starter built in, and you can put it all inside the case. Now the case is really nice. I may have not mentioned that during the unboxing, but what I like about the case is it's crush proof, number one, so it's going to protect everything inside of it, which is its primary function. But in addition to that, it organizes everything, because if you didn't have the case, you've got a lot of accessories here that if you put them in the back of your car, something's going to get, it's going to roll under one of the spare tires or something. You're not going to be able to find it. So having a case like this keeps everything organized, that when I put it in the case, slide it in the back of my car, if I need to use it, I know I've got everything with me. And that's pretty much all I had to say about it. I think it's a wonderful product. GOOLOO's a company that's been around a long time. They make a wide range of different jump starters, and I just trust the company, and I think you should as well. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find value in this clip, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.